Salsa de Molcajete. How do we make it? I'm gonna show you right now. It's gonna be a tomato-based salsa with serranos, with onions, with garlic, with cilantro and onion. Okay. So first off, I put these in the oven. I'm using 2 tomatoes, 2 serranos, and like a quarter of the onion. I put them in the oven to broil for about like 10 minutes. I also put a piece of garlic. But I have some onion and some cilantro already diced up because that's how I like my salsa. We're gonna use some rock salt because I feel like that's way better in here. You can do it in a blender, but honestly, the texture and the flavor is much better here, okay? If you don't have one, go get one. Okay, vamos a empezar con la sal. We're gonna start off with some salt. We're gonna add, honestly, to your liking. I'll say about a pinch. And I'm just gonna ground it up. Okay, now we're gonna add our ajo. We're gonna put in our garlic. Beautiful roasted garlic. It's gonna coat the bottom of the molcajete with its rich roasted garlic flavor, the salt. All right, next goes in our chiles. If I was to use dried chiles, I would have put them right after the salt. But since I'm not, I put the garlic right before these chiles. And I'm just using 2 serranos. La pueden hacer la consistencia que ustedes quieran. A mí no me gusta muy mal tajada. Dependiendo. Vamos a hacer pollo rostizado con unos frijoles negros y ese poquito arroz cocido. Okay, put in our second serrano. And cebollita. You guys, this is no joke, man. I remember my mom used to be like, "Why are your dad's making a salsa?" That's probably why my dad makes some bomb ass salsas. But I would always see him in the counter on the kitchen, and he was the one doing the salsa. Now I'd be like, "Can I try it?" And after a while, I was like, "Okay, here you go. I don't want to do it anymore." All right, start off with one of the tomatoes. Go slow because it squirts. And literally the only motion I'm doing, I'm just like pushing it and turning it, pushing it and turning it. Oh, and it smells so good, man. I can smell the onion, the garlic, the roasted tomato. You guys, look at my nails. They're so cute. Okay. All right, now that it's to the consistency that you want, you can literally keep going until it's like super smooth. But honestly, I love it this way. I'm gonna taste it for salt. Oh my God, you guys really need to get you a molcajete. If you don't have a molcajete, go buy one. You're gonna notice the different taste that the blender gives you versus one of these. If you don't have one, go get one. Okay, it's like honestly like a chunky salsa. Look, it's like sweet because of the onions, the tomatoes, and it's spicy and salty because yeah, it's so good. And I'm just gonna put, literally it was probably like a quarter of an onion and just like a little bit of cilantro. Ding, 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 ding. Super delicious. All right, there you guys have it. Super simple, perfectly salted, seasoned, amazing, delicious, super, super fast. You guys, quit buying that salsa from the jar, man. Make your own. Literally super easy, delicious. Enjoy.